هلو صباح الفل عليكم يا حلوين. This is Miss Summer سامي ونيو فيديو. النهارده الفيديو بيتكلم عن الساوند of letters. تعالوا كده نبتدي من البداية خالص. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of C? K. What about the sound of D? D. Now, what is the sound of E? E. What about the sound of F? What is the sound of G? G. What is the sound of H? Ha. It's the laughing letter. What about the sound of I? E. What about the sound of J? J. What about the sound of K? K. What about the sound of L? L. Okay. What about the sound of M? What about the sound of N? A. What about the sound of O? O. What about the sound of P? Like I said, P, 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 and you will feel the air. What about the sound of Q? Qua. Good job. What about the sound of R? Ra. What about the sound of S? What about the sound of T? T. What about the sound of U? Ah. Like someone is hitting you. Ah. What about the sound of V? V. What about the sound of W? Wa. What about the sound of Y? Yeah. What about the sound of X? X. What about the sound of Z? Z. Thank you so much. I'll like if you want more. Bye.